Hi everyone, welcome back to another keto mukbang. Today I'm doing a breakfast sandwich for you guys, keto style. Hi everyone, good to see you. Welcome back. I have got a breakfast sandwich here that's going to beat out any fast food restaurant or any restaurant because it's keto and low carb. Now, I got this idea from my friend Monica, but although it started originally with my idea, back, I don't know, about 6-9 months ago, I made the McGriddle. If you guys remember that, I used my pancake batter that I showed you guys to make my pancake. And I put them into those rings, the mason jar rings, and then into my pan, and that's how I poured the batter in to make them nice and round. I did my eggs in there, I did the pancake batter in there, so everything would be nice and round. And then of course I showed you that I added the syrup in there. Well, today my good friend Monica came on and she had made this breakfast sandwich, but she did it in the microwave. Okay, it is the same batter, but she did use the same thing. She did the McGriddle, so she used the syrup. I wanted to try it without being a sweet sandwich. I wanted it to be salty. So I made this same ingredient of my pancake, which is the 2 eggs and 2 ounces of cream cheese. I just didn't add the cinnamon to it. I added salt and pepper, and then I did put it into the microwave in my mug. You put it in a coffee mug, okay? I sprayed mine just a little bit, but she said you didn't have to, that it'll pop right out. But just in case, I wanted to spray mine. So I sprayed a little bit, you know, or just oiled the inside of my glass. You know, that's what I meant. And made it, and it comes out perfectly. You just use a knife, go around, and you tip it upside down. It'll pop right out, cut it in half. And now it's going to be more of a saltier instead of a sweet one. So it's not going to be the McGriddle. It's going to be like a biscuit. And now I've got my cheese, my egg, and I did turkey bacon like she did. Now, the last one I did, the last McGriddle, I did add egg and sausage on mine. I did not want to add the cheese because I don't like cheese with syrup. But this one I've got cheese now because mine isn't sweet. And I can't wait to dig in to see what it tastes like. I even, after I took it out, I even buttered the biscuit itself. I'm calling it a biscuit. I even buttered the biscuit, and then I melted the cheese on it and put my turkey bacon and my 1 egg. And it's really big. Look at how fat it is. It's nice and fat, and it's got the firmness of like a biscuit too. So it was originally my idea, then she did it today, but did it where you can cook it quicker. You don't have to go through all the work that I did. So I was like, wow, I'm gonna try that. So I decided this morning I would try it, but then I thought, you know what, I gotta do a mukbang because I gotta show you guys this. This is incredible. It really does work good. So originally it was my idea, then it was her idea today to do it in the microwave like that, and then now it's my idea making it to be more of a biscuit than a sausage, or like, you know, the McGriddle from McDonald's. This is gonna be the biscuit like McDonald's would sell. So let's dig into this thing. And you wanna let it cool off because it was really hot when I pulled it out, so. Gotta open your mouth big for that one. Yum. That is incredible without the cinnamon. It's got the salt and pepper in the mixture, and then I blended it in my bullet and then into the microwave. Oh my God, it does taste like a biscuit or like a muffin. Oh my God, I think it tastes more like the biscuit. Oh my God, it's so good. Look at this. Yum, everybody. See, there isn't nothing you can't figure out how to do on keto. There's always an alternative. So, and like Monica was saying on her page, we help each other. She mentioned that I was the one that made it in my mason jars to make it round, but this still came out round in the cup like that. It fluffs up really big, and then it goes back down, then you dump it out and you split it and you cut it in half. The way the width of it's so big, you actually could cut it 4 ways and make 2 sandwiches. You could. they would be a little thinner than, but as you see how big the top is, you could have cut that in half and the bottom and made 4 sandwiches with it. But hers looks so good, I wanted to have mine nice and big like this too. But we help each other, because by her doing that just helped me to know that I can make it a lot quicker and faster. So I was not dressed to do a video today. I got no makeup on or nothing. I just got back in from tanning, and I just have my tank on, and I'm starting to freeze now because my air is on. It's really, really hot outside, but in here it's cold. And so now I'm starting to get cold. I should really put a little jacket on. Or a sweatshirt, I mean. But I thought, oh my God, I made breakfast. I wanted to share this with you guys. And Monica, try it without the cinnamon. Me and her talked about that this morning. So I tried it without the cinnamon, and wow, so good. Now, all I did was take a picture at the end, okay? Because I'm gonna write down in my box how to make it, because you guys all know how to make my keto pancake. You're just eliminating the cinnamon. You're only adding the 2 eggs and the 2 ounces of cream cheese. Blend it up. Pour it into a coffee mug. And I did oil mine up just a little bit with olive oil. That's what I meant. I just used my finger and went around just so it wouldn't stick. She said it didn't stick, but just in case, I oiled mine, because I don't know if her cup versus mine was different. So I oiled the cup, poured the batter right into that and into the microwave for 4.5 minutes. I did mine 4.5 minutes because I have a smaller microwave. She did hers for 4 minutes. So it just kind of varies on the microwave, all right? But I'm going to pour it in there. Then just make up your bacon and your eggs. You know, I've got turkey bacon here to keep it a little lower fat, even though it's not going to be real, real low because there's cream cheese in it. And then I have a regular egg. She used egg whites. She used turkey bacon. I do have turkey bacon here, but remember, I can eat higher fat. So what you guys would do to make, or let me finish saying, so you make your egg and then your bacon and then put your cheese and put it together. Now, for you to make it lower fat, obviously you can't make the cream cheese and egg mixture lower your biscuit, but you can use turkey bacon like I used. You can use egg whites like Monica used. And you can go without the cheese. That's going to make it lower then for you. Oh my gosh, Monica, this is so good. So yeah, I didn't use I didn't show the recipe because everybody knows my keto pancake recipe. I didn't do that. And like I said, everybody knows how to fry up bacon. Everybody knows how to fry up eggs. It's really simple. So all I do at the end is I'm going to tell you the ingredients. I'll show you the ingredients real quick and show you a picture of it. But I will write down in my box how to make it. Oh, having a cup of coffee with my sugar-free creamer. Yum. Like with Monica, she didn't drink her water either. I'm not even drinking this because the sandwich is so good. Oh, also I added butter on mine, you know, on it just to make it taste more like a biscuit. I buttered it. You wouldn't butter it if you're saving on fat. But if you want one day to have a little heavier fat, you could use it. Everything that I did here. Mmm. Yum. So it looks like I am getting color. I'm just freezing though. I got a lot of color today. Wow. It always looks different on the camera though. The camera I look sometimes darker, sometimes lighter. But I am darker than what the camera is showing. I was so happy to get out in the sun again. There was sun today. I heard tomorrow, though, it's going to be cloudy again. So I'm glad I got out there today. Because it's already starting to cloud up a little bit. And I said it was going to be cloudier today. Later in the day. So I'm glad I got out there because tomorrow's going to be completely cloudy. I won't get you tan at all. But let's hope it reverses in their sun. Because I'm trying to do all of this for outfit of the day video I'm doing. But you guys will get the outfit of the day video, I think, before this. So, because it's my next outfit. But yeah, so I need to get as much sun as possible. Just like this video, Monica did hers, I think today's the 20th of June. That's when Monica did her video on this. That's when I'm doing it, but you're not going to get it till next week sometime. That was incredible. Wow. Thank you, Monica, for suggesting that in the microwave. Man, that is so much faster and quicker. And so easy. Oh my God, wherever we can make things easier in our life, we enjoy that, right? Thank you, Monica, for showing me that idea. She is the microwave queen. This girl can make anything in the microwave. She actually makes the keto pancakes in the microwave. She makes the batter and just pours it on a plate and puts it in the microwave and makes her keto pancake in the microwave. So she doesn't even have to flip it. I have to flip mine because I fry it on the stove. I haven't tried mine in the microwave yet just because I do have a non-stick, stick pan. So I just do it in that. She doesn't have a non-stick pan. And she's got 3 kids to take care of, so wherever she can make her life easier, that's what she tries to do. And we all know the kids are out of school now, so much harder. And she's got a lot of work. And they're little. Her kids are little. She's got a 2-year-old. I think Jacob is 4 or 5. I think he just, 4 or 5. I think he's 4 or 5. Sorry, Monica, I think it's 4 or 5. And then her oldest, I think, is 12 or 13. So her older son, I mean, he definitely is older, can help himself, but she still has to cook and stuff for him, but she's got the 2 younger ones at home, so she needs to keep her life as easy. Sorry about that, guys. Did you hear that? I say easy. She needs to make her life as easy as possible. So anyways, I love you guys. I'm sorry about that. I love you guys very much. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification so you don't miss any videos. And all of you take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next video. Love you guys.